In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Zoho CRM. If you want to keep your meetings, appointments, and schedule better connected with your customer management workflow, linking Google Calendar to Zoho CRM is a very useful setup. The good news is that the process is quite simple and only takes a few moments once you know where to go. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in session and you're inside the main dashboard, take a moment to look at the top or side menu, depending on how your layout appears. What you're looking for is the Setup area. This is where Zoho CRM keeps its configuration options, integrations, and marketplace tools. Go ahead and click Setup to continue. After you enter the Setup section, look for Google under the Marketplace area. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on interface updates, but it should be listed among the available integrations and extensions. The reason you're going here is because Google Calendar is connected through Zoho CRM's Marketplace integration tools, so this is the correct place to enable the connection. Once you find Google, click it. This will open the available Google-related options inside Zoho CRM. From there, select Google Calendar. Make sure you choose the calendar option specifically, especially if you see multiple Google services listed. This step is important because it takes you to the installation page for the calendar integration itself. When the Google Calendar page opens, click the Install button. This starts the linking process between Zoho CRM and your Google Calendar account. After clicking Install, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. In most cases, you'll be guided through permission requests and confirmation screens. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what access is being granted. Then continue through the setup until the integration is complete. As you go through the prompts, it's a good idea to double-check that you're connecting the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one calendar. That can help prevent syncing the wrong events or scheduling information later on. Once everything is finished, your Google Calendar should be linked to Zoho CRM, making it easier to manage events and stay organized across both platforms. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Calendar to Zoho CRM.